Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a red velvet cake. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to line my 8-inch tin with butter, and then I'm going to sprinkle cocoa powder over the top. In my bowl, I'm going to sieve together caster sugar, flour, cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of bi-carb. In my bowl, I'm going to add butter, and I'm going to beat it with 2 eggs, but I'm going to add them in one at a time. I'm going to add in vegetable oil, buttermilk, two teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, and finally 2.5 teaspoons of food colouring gel in red. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients. I'm now going to add half of my cake mixture into my cake tin. I'm now going to bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a knife inserted comes out clean. In my bowl, I'm going to whisk together cream cheese, butter, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to beat in my icing sugar. cake has cooled, I'm going to take one of my cakes and spread some of my cream cheese icing in on the top. I'm going to take my next layer and place it on top. And now spread the rest of my icing over the cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.